While DIY lighting might seem tempting, professional LED landscape lighting offers benefits that transform your outdoor living experience. Let's start with the basics. LED technology has revolutionized outdoor lighting, using up to 80% less electricity than traditional bulbs while lasting 25 times longer. But the real magic happens with professional design. It's about so much more than simply placing lights around your yard. It's about creating an artistic blend of light and shadow that enhances your property's natural beauty. At System Pavers, our designers strategically combine uplighting, downlighting, and path lighting to create depth and drama while ensuring the overall safety and functionality of your outdoors. Your lights can now do more than simply go on at sunset. Thanks to innovations in modern landscape lighting, today's homeowner can opt for smart features that make life even more convenient, including controlling different zones, adjusting brightness or ambiance, and even setting holiday modes, all right from your mobile device. Unlike do-it-yourself options that might look great for a season, professional LED systems are engineered for the long haul. Weather-resistant fixtures, professional-grade wiring, and sturdy mounting systems ensure years of reliable performance. All you have to do is sit back and enjoy the display. Think of professional LED landscape lighting as an investment that enhances curb appeal, improves security, extends outdoor living hours, reduces energy costs, creates unforgettable ambiance. Call the pros at System Pavers today.